Welcome to today's reading of the book Skeleton Hiccups. I'm Gina Antrim. I'm an AAC SLP, and today I will be providing aided language input using the Unity word wall poster from PRC. All right, so the book that we're going to be reading today is called Skeleton Hiccups. And the person who made our story is Marjorie Culler. So she is the author and the one who wrote the story. And the person who made the pictures, our illustrator, is SD Schindler. All right, so on our front cover, we see a skeleton drinking some water, and it looks like holding his nose. All right, so if we went to our feelings, we could say that's kind of silly. And if we look at our inside of our cover, we see the three letters HIC, and we see them 3 times. And so that just represents kind of the sound that we make when we have hiccups. So, All right, our copyright page tells us when the book that we're reading was made. And here's our title page, Skeleton Hiccups. Ooh, and if I went up here on a device, there's a categories button, and then I can go to the blue adjectives. I could find my word different and say, I see something different here. The letter C is red. That's different than the rest of the white letters there. And if we look closely, we're going to see 3 white lines here. And that just tells us that the skeleton's head is kind of shaking a little bit and moving. All right, so skeleton, he woke up. And I know that up in all my other position and place words, like in and out, up and down, are going to be under my bridge, my preposition bridge. All right, and we see those 3 letters, HIC. Oh, he had the hiccups. In the shower. He took a shower, and he's going, and he did it so much that his bar of soap bounced up and out of the shower. Oh, man, I don't like having the hiccups. He brushed his teeth. And his teeth, they fell out. Whoo! That is not good. He polished. All right, so we see some polish mixture down here in this bottle, and he's got a rag. And so with his bones, kind of like lotion that we would put on to make our skin smooth, he's putting on the polish to make his bones shiny. So he polished his bones, but when he went, his arm fell off. Whew. Not good. He carved a in my orange, pumpkin. But the lines, they're kind of crooked and jagged. They are not straight. Because he has the hiccups. He raked some leaves. He's trying to put them in a pile. But when he goes, they go all over. Oh, not good. He played with Ghost. And he was not able to catch the ball. And his hat is falling off. So Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. did not work. Eat some sugar, he says. It did not work. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Did not work. Drink some water. Upside down. What? It did not work. It is coming out of his eye sockets and his skull. Ghost made a verse. It did not work. He said, "Boo," to Skeleton. Did not work. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost, he got smart. Found a mirror and he held it up and Skeleton screamed. Ah! And we saw our letters HIC, they got bigger. Guys, the hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! The end. I hope you guys like that story, and I hope you'll join me again for another reading of another book. Thank you so much. Bye.